And the race is on. Cool reception from the outside is Tiger Rafi. Rushing up is Mutiara. Then comes Winking Eye and Moonraker. It's now Tiger Rafi, Mutiara, Cool reception, Winking Eye. Moving up now is Madera, taking the fifth spot alongside Moonraker. Chuchinelli, Mr. Lindros, and running in seventh position is Dr. Choice. Then comes Angelic Boys, number 2, Royal Heiress, and Wawa West. And nearing the far turn, Mutiara, Winking Eye is on the outside. Tiger Rafi Madera is watching in fourth position. Another far turn, it's now Winking Eye, Tiger Rafi Madera. And moving up by the rally school reception, Moonraker, Dr. Choice, Mr. Lindros, Angelic Boys as they race the final corner. Winking Eye alongside Tiger Rafi Madera sneaking by the rally school reception. Angelic Boys on the further outside. It's still Winking Eye, Tiger Rafi, Angelic Boys on the further outside rushing up. It's now Angelic Boys, number 3. And finally, Angelic Boys. Second, close, Royal Heiress and Madera. Then comes Tiger Rafi and Mr. Lindros.
Mukhang dihado yun.